This is Savannah Reese at Sherry Chrysler, and today I have a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 ST, stock number CP15416AT. Take a look around here. You've got the fog lamps in the front. Take a look inside here. You've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Nice leather interior here with the wood grain. Got tube steps on the side. Take a look in the back seat. Sliding mirror back here. Look on the passenger side. It does have the Infinity audio system in it. Again, this is Savannah Reese at Sherry Chrysler with a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 ST, stock number CP15416AT. Come stop in and see me or give me a call at 937-778-0830. My extension is 1129.